Want to know how you can make some more easy passive income in the cryptocurrency DeFi space using Venus protocol? I'm going to be talking to you about Venus protocol in today's video, talking to you about why I've started using it and why you should take a bit of a look at it as well. You want to find out more about that? Better stay tuned for the whole video. You can still enjoy this one. Use the bilateral. What is good, YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with real Satoshi Aoki on the channel where we teach you how to make money online. With that being said, however, these videos are not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you want to learn a little bit more about crypto and educate yourself in that department, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or someone advanced in the space, please consider liking this video. If you do like any of the videos on my channel, including this one, of course, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Come on, just press the button down there. It's free to do. Don't be silly. And hit that little notification bell as well so you know when new videos do come out. Now, before we take a moment and jump on over to the website and break down the Venus protocol in just a little bit more easy to understand detail, I just want to quickly say it's free and easy to get set up and started, and it's actually really simple. I'm not going to be going through that process in today's video, but let me know in the comment section below if this was an interesting video. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to make a tutorial video about how to attach the Binance Smart Chain over onto the Venus protocol so you can get started, because that's all you need to do to actually get started. It's a process that probably takes about 15 to 20 minutes if you're new to the cryptocurrency space, all right? But it's really easy, it's really secure, and that's essentially how you can start making some passive income and make use of some of the other awesome features that are available through Venus protocol, which we're going to have a look at together right now. So I'm a true man of aesthetics and website design appreciation, and I just want to unbiasedly and objectively say straight off the bat, I'm loving this initial color scheme and web design. I mean, I just love it, okay? Abstract art, it's the way forward, okay? It's got a bit of a NFT feel about it, which I really like. So we're on the Venus protocol page here. Mind you, this is not the actual protocol itself, okay? This is just the venus.io, which gives you some clear and easy to understand descriptions of what this stuff is all about, all right? So we're gonna be taking you through these points one by one, but not overdoing it for you newbies out there as well, all right? Venus Money Markets, a decentralized marketplace for lenders and borrowers with borderless stable coins, okay? And you've got an option to easily launch the app there, which we will be doing in the latter part of the video. Venus is decentralized. It's run on the BEP20 blockchain, all right? And it is scalable, all right? Access an immutable money market protocol directly on chain. All Venus protocol assets are bound by the BEP20 standard, okay? Which you can find out more about in the white paper as well. And it's built on the Binance Smart Chain for fast, secure, and low transactions, which are virtually almost instant, okay? Venus enables the world's first decentralized stablecoin, VAI, ticker symbol VAI, built on Binance Smart Chain that is backed by a basket of stablecoins and crypto assets without centralized control. Okay, so the great thing about this VAI, this VAI synthetic stablecoin on the Venus protocol network, is the simple fact that it can be minted. When I say it can be minted, it's essentially the process of creating it out of thin air, okay? But only if you are holding some cryptocurrency on the Venus protocol, okay? So we're gonna be talking about the savings section of the Venus protocol in the moment, where you can actually supply the protocol with funds, and then after doing so, you can mint, you can create this VIA, this VAI token out of thin air, and then you can use that VAI token to do some other cool stuff as well. Alrighty, so now we are talking about the savings on the Venus protocol. Earn interest on your assets. Funds held within the protocol can earn APYs based on the market demand for the asset. Interest is earned by the block and can be used as collateral to borrow assets or to mint stable coins, okay? So the stable coin in this particular example would be VAI, okay? We spoke about the minting process before, and let's just have a look at a few of the rates, okay? Now, bear in mind, these APY rates here in green, these do change due to certain market conditions. They may rise or drop down in value over time. So as we can see, the swipe, if you're holding it on there, you're getting 1.04%, okay? Which you might think is not actually that much, but even compared to a bank, you're gonna be lucky to get 0.025% if you're not getting negative interest rates already, depending on what country you're from. But what I find really attractive about this particular savings rate here is the 14.38% APY on the BNB token. 14.38% on Binance. I am liking that. And up here, we got 17.4% APY on Tether USD, okay? That is a really, really lovely APY. Can you imagine making almost 18% on your money for doing absolutely nothing, okay? Compare that. Let me know in the comment section below, how much interest do you get for your cash in your normal bank? And also, you got to take into account the inflation that happens every single year, okay, with your government money. It doesn't matter what country you're living in. Now, I do also want to make myself very clear by saying these rates on the side here are based on the fact that you'll be farming with the XVS, the Venus token, okay, the native token that powers the Venus protocol itself, okay? So the idea being that, for example, if we stake some BNB at 14.38%, we're going to be getting that 14.38% only if we get our returns in the XVS token. So as you can see here, you've got the clear and transparent option to turn that on or off. So we're going to turn it off, okay? And as you can see, these rates do change quite a bit, okay? So we've lost about 10% on the BNB. We've lost about 1% on the swipe there, okay? So have a look a little bit yourself into the Venus token as well. We're going to be touching on that as well shortly. If we scroll down as well here, okay, we got some BTCB here, 6.28%, Ethereum Litecoin there, okay, we got our XRP for all you XRP lovers out there, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot at almost 4%, we got Chainlink, DAI at a nice 15.43%, Filecoin, and Binance Beacon, okay, at 8.01% as well. Okay, folks, so before we do go onto the borrowing section of the Venus protocol, I just wanted to have a quick look at the Venus token itself here. Now, it's sitting at an attractive price of $11.64. It's been up 4.5% in the last 24 hours. But the main thing that I do want to draw your attention to here, folks, is the circulating supply of the XVS token here. We got a total circulating supply here currently at 8 million, okay, with a total supply of around 30 million, okay. Now remember, BTC has only got a total supply of 21 million, all right, and that is very, very low. A lot of these new coins that are coming out these days have total supplies of well in the billions, okay? So the fact that XVS has just a mere total supply of 30 million, that's something that I find very attractive. Why is this important? It's important to understand because, of course, if you're doing your yield farming and you're getting all of these rewards in Venus, you don't want to one day think to yourself or wake up in the morning and go to the computer and see this new random token, XVS token, just do some random pump and dump. In my personal opinion, it's not financial advice, but it's the token that supports the Venus protocol. It's got a good cause, it's got a limited supply, it's got some good or had some good price action in the history and has some great price action in recent history, and I believe it's a coin that you can potentially be confident in. And even if you're not, even if you don't want to hold onto the Venus token for the long term, at least you can get your rewards paid out through yield farming in your XVS token, and you can trade a certain percentage of those tokens out for something like Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example, okay? So just for myself looking at this, a particular strategy that I might personally apply is that I might cash in 50% of my rewards in Venus protocol for something like Ethereum, okay, something that's been around for a little bit longer, and I might keep 50% of my XVS Venus token, all right, and just stash it for the long term over on the side because it does have such a low total supply, a low circulating supply, which can only mean an increase in value over time should the technology of decentralized finance continue to thrive in the future. It's kind of a no-brainer and you're investing in a really great concept and idea. Let me know your thoughts on the Venus token and whether you want me to make a separate video about the XVS token at a future date. I gotta say, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just loving this project more and more the more I do learn about it. So let's talk about the borrowing on demand. Access instant liquidity on Venus. Use your V token, that's the VI token, the stable coin that we were talking about before, as collateral to borrow from the Venus protocol instantly with no trading fees, no slippage, and directly on chain. With Venus, you have on-demand liquidity available globally. So we can actually see the full disclosure of the amount of liquidity available. As you can see, we've got a total of 9,560,000 SXP available to be borrowed, as much as 7,343,000 Tether USDT to be borrowed as well. So you've minted your VI token, which is your stable coin, which we did speak about before, and then you use that VI token as collateral to borrow some assets of your choice, which you can choose to do with whatever you want. I gotta truly say, I'm loving how dope this website is and how easy they are making it to understand for someone that is even gonna be new to the space, okay? So if we can have a look here at the last little bottom part of the page here, it's talking about the markets, okay? So we're talking about XVS and the total market supply here that we've got, all right? So we've got all the numbers down here. Full transparency, okay? We've got the total supply, the number of suppliers, the total borrowed, the number of borrowers, and the token address and the current price of the token looking at XVS. You can change this over to Tether, for example, all right? Number of suppliers, 942. The total supply we've got there, total borrowed again, number of borrowers, token address. You get the point. Got some more information down here as well. And if you want to access the white paper as well, I highly recommend you have a read of that if you do have some time. And also as well, they got their Telegram, their Twitter, their GitHub down there, and some Medium posts as well. And whilst we're here, we'll just click on the white paper. Of course, I'm not going to read through the entirety of that white paper through here, but just so you can have a look here, it's got here the white paper which you can scroll through. It's got the table of contents, and it's nothing fancy, okay, but it's just got all of the information you need to know should you wish to learn about the project in even more detail. Okay folks, so we are nearly at the end of the video. We're just going to have a quick look at the app now. So as we can see, we're back at the top of the page. We're going to go to launch app. We're going to click on that button there, and that's going to take us over to the dashboard. Now, I did say at the start of the video, I do have my MetaMask wallet attached here. I don't have any funds in here yet because I only have just started using the Venus protocol, okay? But as you can see here, it's got all the information on the dashboard here, okay? So there's information about your funds that you hold on here. You've got your supply balance, okay? So that basically means how much money have you supplied, how much money are you going to be saving on there, and how much money are you going to be using to generate some nice passive income, okay? So that's on the supply side of this decentralized protocol. And on the borrow side, that's got in the dollar amounts, how much money are you borrowing, okay? So that's going back to the point where we spoke about putting some savings on there, minting some stable coin in the form of VI, using that VI as collateral to borrow some funds against that VI as collateral, okay? If we scroll down here, we can see some updated information on the markets, how much APY returns you're going to be getting on all of your assets down here, okay? It's really, really clear, which I really, really like, okay? We've also got some information about the total value locked, okay? The total buy, which has been minted down the bottom left corner here. Okay, we've got some information on the voting, some more conditions of the market here, all right? So you've got some buy staking APY here, which is currently at 52.72%, which is very nice, okay? And then we've also got some extra information here about the Venus token distribution here, okay? You've got the address there, which is fully transparent, and the user distribution and the information based around that is all here for you to see. I really like this, guys. It's fully transparent. You can get a true vision of what is going on here, okay? There's no middleman that's gonna come and screw you over here, guys. I'm loving it. Alrighty, folks, I hope you did enjoy today's video on Venus Protocol. So to really just summarize the main points, Venus Protocol is a place where you can save your money. With that saved money in the form of cryptocurrency, you can mint the stablecoin VI, V-A-I. You can use that VI stablecoin to get a loan, all right? You can use that loan in the form of cryptocurrency anywhere you like. You can send it to any address. It can get you out of a bit of a rut. Say you're a bit behind on the bills, or you just need to make a quick payment and you don't want to go through the hassle of using a bank and waiting like days to get approved for some stupid loan with some ridiculous interest rate. Nah. That's old finance now. You don't need to do that anymore. Get on over to Venus Protocol, stake your crypto on there. You can earn some awesome interest on there as well. And it's just a really amazing all-round service. It's fully transparent, non-custodial. You don't have to do a KYC. If you've got any more questions at all about Venus Protocol, because I'm sure you do let me know in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to get back to every single reasonable question. If you do want to help me out on the channel, ladies and gentlemen, it's really easy to do. I know it just takes a second, but just go down there, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here and you did find any value in today's video. Hit the notification bell as well so you do know when new videos do drop out onto the channel. I really hope you did enjoy today's video from the bottom of my heart, and from wherever you are watching from in the world, I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I shall catch you in the next video. Cheers, viewers.